Hi all, it's going to be a really quick update. Some of you that were in the hangout in the live stream on Monday, I kind of hinted around a little bit that I might have something that was undesirable. It was kind of scary at first, but I got all the results back, so there's no cancer. The doctor was a little bit afraid of that, so everything came back normal. Where they do the scan, you know, can't think of the name of it, and the chest x-ray, all that came back normal. He said that maybe I should get a CT scan, but he said that's, you know, it's not necessary. So anyway, yeah, everything came back normal. The only thing that's way out of whack is low T, low testosterone. It's extremely low, so that's what's causing my breast to be really sore and swollen. So on the 18th of March, I have an appointment with a neurologist that's going to, he also does hormone therapy, so we'll be taking care of that. I talked to him briefly. Well, I talked to his assistant briefly, and she said that, yeah, he's really good at it, and it'll just take a couple of 3 weeks, a few weeks to get everything back normal. So weight gain, let's see, I think I've gained like 10 pounds in the last 3 weeks. You know, I guess that's part of it. That will cause some weight gain, and then, you know, I'm trying not to eat all of the junk, you know. Trying to eat healthy and all that, like you're supposed to. So, you know, it's so much easier just to grab a bag of potato chips or something, you know. Well, but we're not going to do that anymore. So, what else is going on? We had some really nice weather the last couple of days. It's been pretty warm in the motorhome. It's, you know, it's like sitting in your car in the sun. So I went out to the shed, and I left the potter's wheel in sad shape, so I've been kind of cleaning it up. There's a lot of dried up clay on it, and inside the water pan there's dried up clay, so I need to get that all cleared up, and it looks like we're going to have some nice weather for a few days, so that'll be good. Temperatures have been going, I've been staying around 40 to 45 at night, which is perfect for me anyway. I just about shut all the heat off and all that, so, you know, I'll put a sweater on if it gets too bad, you know what I'm saying? So, I think that's about it. I can't think of anything else. Just a little update. I'll talk to you soon.